Hi everyone, so this is Sir Joseph. So today I'm gonna show you uh, the control panel of the Live Good of your Live Good business. So once you join the Live Good company, so the company will give you your control panel, your personal website, and plus the three replicated websites and other tools that you might need in doing your Live Good business. Okay, so ipapakita ko po sa inyo first of all the control panel. Okay, so this is your control panel will look like. Okay, so this is the control panel. Okay, so as you can see, that's my account, my name. So this control panel of your own business, wherein you can view the product orders. Okay, so yan, product orders, and then you can also check your genealogy. Okay, so this is the genealogy. Okay, you want to see all the people below in your matrix, so makikita natin dyan sa ating genealogy. Okay, and then we also have the contact manager, so lahat ng inyong inquiries, mga referrals, you can see it from them, from that part. Okay, and then meron din tayong tinatawag na website naman. So these are the three replicated websites, as you can see. So we have the corporate site, and we have the retail site, and then the power line landing page. Okay, so paano natin magagamit itong three replicated websites na to? Okay, but before that, so by the way, so if you're going to join Live Good by paying the $40 sign up fee or the affiliation fee, so meron bang kapalit na products so na ibibigay sa inyo ng company? Of course, wala po kayong matatanggap na physical products, but you will receive a digital products. Okay, so why? Because Live Good is a US based direct sales company, and with a subscription and membership club. Okay, so that is why when you pay the $40 affiliate sign up fee, so you will have your digital products. So kasali rito itong three replicated websites na pinapakita natin. So the corporate site wherein you can log in, monitor, katulad ng nasabi ko kanina, you can monitor your business, okay, from here, genealogy, your earnings, your full access. You have the full access in this system, and together with the tools, trainings available to help you share the products and build your team also. Ayan, so ito. So yun po ang corporate site, your personal website. And you also have, aside from the corporate site, another one is the retail site. So for example, you want to share the products and somebody want to try the products, you just send the link. No need for you to bring the physical products. The company will take care everything. So deliver the products, do the transaction, okay, everything, the payment, and you all you need to do is just to wait for your commission to come. Okay, so ang commission mo makikita natin diyan sa ating dashboard, so we can monitor. Okay, so meron we have here the earnings, yan, so papasok yan automatically. Okay, when there's someone try to use the products. So retail site po yan. So wala ka nang kailangang bitbitin na physical products because online na po tayo ngayon. Ganun po kaganda ang business natin. Okay? Another one is what if merong gustong mag-try din ng itong business natin. Somebody wants to try. Okay? So you want to share them this opportunity, this great opportunity, life-changing opportunity. So you can send them your personal landing page. Okay, so this is how the landing page looks like. Okay, so you just share this Live Good tour plus your username. So you just share this link to the person or to those interested person. Yeah, so ganun lang kasimple. Send mo lang yan, then they will watch the 5-minute video from Ben Glinsky, the CEO and founder of Live Good, and then they can also create their temporary account, okay, by filling up the form. Okay, so that is a 5-minute video and the form. Ganun lang po kasimple. Okay, so I hope na itur ko kayo no dito sa ating Live Good business. Okay, so sa mga nagtatanong dyan about Live Good, kung legit pa ang Live Good. Okay, so as you can see naman, so we have the system. Ayan. So everything mamonitor po natin dito. This is 100% legit guys. So tanggalin nyo na po yung inyong duda. So much better na i-try natin, no? Ayan, so tingnan nyo, napakaraming products ng Live Good. Okay? Ang maganda sa Live Good, hindi po compulsory ang pagbili ng products and pagbenta ng products. You will get the products, you will buy the products anytime you need and anytime you want. At ang maganda pa, this is a subscription business and affiliation program. So from the affiliation program, you will be benefited doon sa tinatawag na compensation plan at doon pwede po tayong kumita doon sa compensation plan. Okay? Okay, so I hope na nakatulong sa inyo ito guys. And then remember that the vision or the mission of Live Good is to make people get healthy and stay healthy without spending having to spend a fortune to do it, or hindi mo na kailangan gumastos na malaki para maging healthy. Remember, health is wealth. Okay, thank you guys. So God bless everyone.